Hey everybody, it's me DB, and today I'm giving you something a little bit different. I know I did say we're gonna do Final Fantasy VII Remake each and every day, Monday through Friday. That is still true. However, I might have to start that tomorrow. In tomorrow's video, we'll be starting Chapter 2, actually, of that game. But today, I'm gonna give you guys my review of the new Samsung S10e. Well, new for me, that is. That was released last year, I do believe. And I will be using this to take photos. And I may also be using this for some of my vlogs too. So let's take a look, see what we got. This guy looks pretty cool. Yeah, look at that. Oh, there's my reflection. Hi y'all! I kinda like this already. And now you see one of the newer features that was introduced in the S10 line was the fact that you had more than one camera right on the back. I think one of them was like a 12 megahertz, and one of them like a little bit bigger, plus the front camera. And no home screen, but it does have a headphone jack. Yep. You know, the new phones these days don't really have those type of things. So, and here is the charger plug, where you can connect your charger. Here are the headphones. That basically works with any type of headphones that uses that type of jack. This one looks like a USB port. You can plug in your phone via USB. There's a little wireless charger thing too. Pretty cool. And I thought inside of here you get some sort of like information, but it's actually right inside of the front of the box. So hang on while I go and grab it. Look right here. So here's all of your information about the phone. There's a screen protector, there's the terms and conditions. So I'll be right back once I get this thing rolling. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's powered on. So stay tuned, everybody. So this is a very, very nice looking phone. It has a Snapdragon 855 chipset, which, since I'm not really that tech savvy, I heard it was pretty fast. And if we go to the camera, it actually has 3 different cameras. You could do just a regular photo. You could do a live focus camera. You could do a live focus video. You can do regular. You can do a quick panorama with the new panorama camera. You can even do a slow motion shot and a night shot too. Although I heard that the night shot is not quite as good though on this phone, but still, it's cool. You even do look at that. Even do a shot of your food. That's pretty nice. So yeah, so I am definitely happy though with this. And also the nice thing is, it's small too. So that if you have some smaller hands, it'll be really, really easy to hold on to. If you have bigger hands though, then you might have some trouble loosening the grip. But my review, I give it a positive thumbs up. So if you have one yourself, let me know what you think of it. And sorry, it just went black. That's okay though. So in the comment section down below, let me know what you thought of the phone so far. And if you swipe up from a home, that's when you can get all of your apps over here too. Let's see, how quick is an app? Got Disney Plus. And not bad. Definitely quick app opening, which is also another plus in my video. In my opinion, at least. So thank you for checking out this box opening video. I'm sorry that I didn't have that much to say. And there's the Bixby Home. If you want to set that one up too, you can. But yeah, I definitely give this phone a thumbs up. It's quick. It's good for my hands. I like to hold it just like this. And you can also use facial recognition to help you unlock your phone, which could be really good if your phone gets stolen or anything like that. It does allow you to use a passcode if you prefer that. And right up here where my thumb is, you can use fingerprint recognition. And it cost me around $600 plus tax. So you basically got the same features that you get with the Basically you get the same features that you get with the Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus, except a couple of them. But you get it in a cheaper package. So, that's going to conclude today's video. I'm DB, and I'll catch y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I just gotta say, once more, I love this phone. I know I just got it here today. I just love it. And again, the nice thing is it's small, so people with smaller hands like me can access it much more easily. And facial recognition, you just put your face right up to the front camera. It is located right up in the top corner. And then you can swipe your phone. So again, that is easier, at least for some of us, in order to access the phone. The apps load up really nice. It is pretty fast. The nice thing is this one is 128 gigabytes. My older one was 32 gigabytes. So this has almost 100 gigabytes more. Almost, not quite, no, almost, than my older phone, which is really nice for me in particular, because I have lots. I do also Pokemon Go and Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Links. I still got those games. I'm still waiting for Pokemon Go to download on this phone. And I do tend to use up lots of space here on this phone, or whatever cell phone that I have. So I'm really, really happy that this has lots of space for me to use. And I may not be alone. Some of you might also use up lots and lots of space in your own phone too. So again, thanks for watching. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.